Okay, Evan, do you see these guardians right here?
Yes.
You can shock them. See this?
Yeah.
You'd be like,
Okay. Can you explain to me why?
Because,
Just fucking
okay.
do it, man.
I'm not gonna do it then.
The fuck, man? You're like a fucking teenage daughter, man. Fuck this.
Oh, shit. And then we're gonna activate. What, Louis?
You mean I'm gonna have to kill the big gummy worm?
Yes, you said you hated gummy worm. Okay, so Louis is gonna activate the train. He's gonna tell us when he does it.
I'm not gonna do it anymore.
Why not? Come
I
on.
became friends with the mutant gummy worm. I don't want to kill them.
As soon as the worm gets hit, you're gonna shock all the
All
little
of these
things.
three.
Wait, where's the fourth one?
He's
Really,
going.
really high up in the sky. Oh, God. Oh, my God. This has been explained so many times to you. You're like a dad teaching a kid with no fucking mobility in his legs on a tricycle when someone's pushing him.
Okay, is everybody ready?
I think my pizza's here.
No, there's no pizza.
My name is Bat Owl, and I must defend this city.
I'm Mega Monkey.
And I am Bakun.
And I am Early Bird.
So why are you here last?
That's a good question.
All right, here we are. This is it. This is your home, right, Delirious?
Yeah, I live here.
The coon can.
Yes, the coon can. You see this hole right here? This is where you pee. You just stick your penis in there.
The thing my head's right by?
Yes. Yes. And you see this light thing right here?
Okay, this is not a MTV Cribs. Come on.
All right. What's the plan?
We have to stop the drug train.
Yes. The drug train. The drug train comes along every couple of minutes.
We have to stop this train.
Oh, there's a train. We're
That's
gonna
our
miss
mission.
it.
Hurry!
Oh, stop it!
Hurry!
This is some bullshit.
We respectfully let the train go.
The train was no match for us, and we felt bad for it.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah.